it's T for the Soul's YouTube channel, and we're here to show you our 5 favorite Halloween looks for this season. Give you some ideas. We love it. Stay tuned.
Hi sweeties, it's me. The best thing about Halloween is getting into character. And if you can see, I'm an old lady getting into character. Now why I got the pink hair is because all the millennials are dyeing their hairs different colors. So what I did is I got myself a wig and I did it that way. Now, also to help you get yourself into character, but not to have to buy any makeup, is to get the bronzer and you make those weird faces. And wherever you see the line, you put the bronzer right into there. And it creates a wrinkle, see? So, if you want to get a look where you're going to get a lot of laughs and get into character, you're going to try my look. So, happy Halloweeny.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh, sweet.
Take a picture of me for Instagram.
Oh, I can't understand that.
Oh, I know. Cool Grandma, coolest Grandma. Whose Grandma has pink hair? Okay, yeah. Could you just go? Wait, I just want to go by myself. Thanks, Grandma. Gosh, she's so annoying. Are we done? Like, this is like, I have stuff to do. Are we done? Like, priorities? Okay, great.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you?
Just call me Cruella.
Now, don't you forget to like and subscribe to T for the Soul's YouTube channel and check out all our fun videos, okay? See you later.